Howdy folks, it's Hansom and he's fired. And today we got something totally different. But before we start this, if you haven't liked or subscribed to this video, I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get started. So today, something pretty cool. This is from the Sony Authorized Repair Center, Precision, out there in Connecticut. This customer found me. Somebody told her what I do that makes miracles happen for a fraction of the price. So Sony quoted her something astronomical. She called and asked me if I could do better. To rewind, this is not actually Sony. This is Precision Camera Repair. Basically, she has a viewfinder glass is shattered, glitchy viewfinder display, suggest replacement viewfinder block assembly. Okay, yeah, I would say the same thing, you know. But they apparently were going to charge her like $500-600 to replace the viewfinder, and of course, y'all know I keep a junkyard, and I had one, an A7R IV viewfinder block, so I haven't even taken this apart or taken it out of the bag, obviously. Pretty crazy. So let's go ahead and take a look. They said $35 for labor. Oh, all right. Getting off to a really good start. Oh, even better. Wow. Maybe I should get a battery. It should be, oh my gosh. So let's take off this good old gaff. That's definitely not even gaff tape. That is black duct tape. That's the name of my band. Fired again. So as you can see, we got a shattered glass. That's the cover, actually. All right, let's check out what this looks like, y'all. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Let's go to the menu. Okay, this is going to be fun. Silent shutter. Finder monitor. We're doing auto. Let's see if I can get y'all up in there. Oh. It's not glitching. It's just tripping. No, I'm playing. So we're going to go ahead and just replace this viewfinder block for her. Let's turn it off. As you can tell, it did take a tumble. You can see right here, there's impact damage. But it seems to be working. This, all right, people don't do this. But I can tell Precision did not do any type of labor. Maybe it didn't even look like they took off that gaff tape. Yeah, and I'll clean that for her and all this good stuff. In their defense, their workload is probably massive. I probably get 10 to 20 repairs in a day. They add a zero to that, dude, because Sony directs. Man, they making that money. All right, I'm done. So let's get started. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. That'd be real cool. Appreciate it. Alrighty. Cross-point screwdrivers. I got 3 different sizes today. If you ain't seen the video, go watch the video. Still ain't hit 200 views. Y'all are so fire, bro. Cross points. Got you curved. Got you straight. Tweezers. Okay. Fired. Line it up. We're going to go with a little thicky thick today. All right, we're going to pull this back panel off and then boom, bam, Bob's your uncle, you know? Y'all know the saying, hopefully. If not, it's cool. We're not even... Yo, take the battery out before you start. I am rushing because I do not have a lot of space on this memory card. Let's start to get these screws off real quick. Make sure you're magnetized. Hope everybody's staying positive, staying focused. Y'all thought I was gonna forget saying that, but I'm not. Drop some knowledge on y'all today, you know? Getting these 4 screws. Really, that's, I guess, 5. It's okay. It's okay, Billy. You got some screws under here, or not plural, just a screw. Boom. Let's go ahead and take off this side panel. Actually, I like the way they did this better than the regular 4. Most definitely the 3. The 3 panels on the side kind of piss me off, dude. They kind of do. I need to turn the heat off in here. It's too hot. Or maybe it's just me. Dun, dun. Yes, you know, I'm pretty handsome. You know, I was driving to work today, and I was so stoked to come to work because I was going to film this morning, and I was like, man, I actually can't wait. I'm sitting here listening to take notes all the way here. It's not techno, it's house music, but people would beg to differ. Just picture a night at the Roxbury's. That's me in the whip, 6 a.m. on the way to work. People next to me are like, bro, it's 6 a.m. So on this bottom panel, you're just going to go straight across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. Because all we're trying to do here is take this panel off. Let's see if there is a screw in there. And what do you know, Billy? I told you to check everywhere. My wife saw me editing yesterday, and she was listening, and she was just laughing her butt off at the way that I talk. She's like, what are you doing? Get up in that corner, remove that leatherette, because there is screws. And I told her that I am having fun, okay? So, needless to say, I will not be editing in front of my wife anymore. Let's go ahead and give a little wiggle. I'm going to start from this corner. She's already coming out. Alright, let's get this flex cable right here. I should start like zooming in on this for y'all. Give a little upper there, a little upper there, a little more upper. Don't damage it. Boom. Shakalaka. Here we go. You know what? I'm not even going to mess with that, because at the end of the day, I could order that piece from Encompass for like, I don't know, very cheap. But we need to make sure. Okay, so these are, you want to get, there's a little slit right there, and you are in there like swimwear because of that impact damage. Give it some wiggles, and then remove the cushion. I think that actually helps with overheating and stuff as well if you use your viewfinder a lot. Be careful putting it in. And you're going to reinsert these flex cables. Hopefully I zoom in on these. That went in way too easy. Okay. And then we're going to put this one in. I was checking my forehead. Sorry, I know I do that like every video. It's not 4, it's 6, I know. Alright, so we put that in there, and I don't think that's all the way in, but did not pay attention before. That viewfinder is there, so check one in there. Let's see if I can get y'all. Oh, Billy. That was very simple. Let's go ahead and put her back together. that was unbelievable. The A7R IV is cool because all of the screws on the bottom plate are the same, unlike the R5, which 1, 2, 3, 4, the end on the plates are longer. Sony always switching it up. So put these last two on the plate. Put this cover back on. And all these screws are the same size, believe it or not. That, my friend, is not a screw hole. You do have to remember that is not a screw hole. What the heck that is, y'all? Just an open hole. Kind of like a black hole. Alright. I'm gonna cut that one out real quick. Well, everybody, it was literally fun. We're going to save the diopter for last. This was really quick. Might just film another one real fast. We said diopter for last, and you know, no screw left behind. No screw left behind. You can see, make sure there's a little slit. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all. You gotta make sure it sits flush, and if you pay attention the first time, you can see where it's sitting instead of spinning it like I did. That easy to do the viewfinder. Precision, you're doing a great job. They probably wanted more. It's below their tier. It's below their tier, you know. $500-600 to replace this, or you call me and I'll do it for $200, you know, maybe even cheaper. You catch me on a good day. I appreciate y'all's time. Please like, subscribe, stay positive, stay focused. Peace. I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no joke, you know, I'm no joke, I'm no